Hey everyone, this is Rich with iGotThis, and this is a quick tutorial on creating a project for Thanksgiving and adding tasks with subtasks into it. This is just to give a demonstration of how you can use the iGotThis system to make your Thanksgiving preparations a little bit easier. So what I've done is right now I'm mirroring my phone on the screen. I am signed in as Alex Smith into the mobile app, which is a child user, and I'm using the Chris Smith account as the parent on the web page. And so what I'm going to do at this point, we can go ahead and look, and under Manage Tasks, you can see there's already a task that's been assigned to Alex called Polish Silverware, and we're going to put that into our project. But before we do that, we're going to actually create a new advanced task that we're going to give Alex for cleaning the living room. So we're going to go ahead and click on the advanced task button, and we're going to give it a title, which is going to be clean the living room. And to make this easier on Alex, we're going to actually assign subtasks. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some tasks that are associated with that. So it's going to be dust the TV stand. Another one will be to dust the coffee table, and we'll add one more, which will be to vacuum. Now, obviously, this is going to be what you're going to want to do for your particular house, but this is what we're going to add. And so now that that's done, I'm going to add Alex as the assignee. Now I can actually assign this to both of us, but this is going to be assigned just to him. So I'm going to remove myself from this. And I'm going to specify the date and time that I want him to do this. So right now it's Saturday the 18th. I'm going to ask him to do this on Monday the 20th, and we'll have him do it after school. So we'll make it at 5 p.m. So pretty simple. We'll set it there. Estimated should take about 15 minutes. Now, I can say, do I want him to be able to reschedule this on his own or to skip it? And right now I don't, so I'm going to leave it these unchecked. And I'm going to add myself as somebody to be notified when the task, if the task doesn't get started within 5 minutes after the start time. I'm going to ask myself, and I'm also going to have Tracy be notified of that as well. And so I'm going to go ahead and create this advanced task, and he will earn 2 tokens for doing the task and an additional 3 for starting it on time. He'll get 2 more for finishing it and an additional 3 for finishing it on time. And we're going to go ahead and create the task. And so that task has now been created, and he has received a notification on his device that says basically he's had this task assigned to him, and now you can see it shows up in his list of tasks. Now that's not until Monday that he has to do this, and since today's Saturday, when we go and look at his dashboard, you'll see the only thing that's on there right now for today is take out the trash that he has to do at 7. But when we go back to the task tab, you can see all of them are listed there, and then if we touch on the show subtasks, it will show the subtask in order of the things that he needs to do. So he can just check these off as he's doing them. And this task will actually appear on his dashboard on Monday, but for right now, it does not. So now that we have 2 tasks in here, and if we go and look at Manage Tasks, we're going to see he has these 2 tasks, one on the 22nd to polish the silverware, and another one on the 20th to clean the living room. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into projects. And in projects, we're going to go ahead and create a new project, and we're going to call this the Thanksgiving project. And, obviously you can put a description in here, Thanksgiving stuff to do. And we'll go ahead and add that project. And so you can see it's been created, and now it's listed here. You'll also see that automatically synchronized down on the phone for Alex. So if we touch the projects tab here, you'll be able to see right now that there is that project now exists on his device. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to open up this project, and we're going to add those tasks into it. So let's go ahead and do manage project tasks. and we're going to find the existing task. So we're already touching this tab. We're already in the existing one. So we're going to say polish and just PO, and that will find that. And we'll go ahead and add that task to the project. And you can see that that now has been added there. And again, it's automatically synchronized down to Alex's phone, especially because he was the one that was assigned to that. And we're going to add another existing task to that. And the existing task was clean the living room. So we just type in L, and it will bring up all the tasks that have the letter L in it right now. And you can see clean the living room as part of that. And I could have put both of those in there the last time, but I just wanted to show you doing that. Again, as soon as I click it, it synchronizes down to the phone. So we close this task, and now basically you can see that there are two tasks that are shown in the Thanksgiving reminder or the Thanksgiving project. The last thing we're going to do is I'm going to add a task for myself, and I'm going to go ahead and manage the project task, and I'm actually going to add a new task in here within the project. So we're going to make this a quick task, and this is just going to be for me, and this is going to be to make the guest list. So make guest list, and I don't need a description. I'm going to do that today at 12 p.m. So we'll just mark that here. Very simple. It should take me about 15 minutes. This is assigned to me today, and I'll go ahead and create the task. And so now you can see this task has been created. It's assigned to me, and there are now 3 different items on the task project list. Now, if I go to Alex's phone and I look at the Thanksgiving project, when I go and show tasks, it will show his 2 tasks. It doesn't show anybody else's tasks because obviously I am going to be the person who is going to be making the guest list, so he doesn't need to see that on his thing. But now when it comes time for him to be able to do these projects, he'll be able to go into this project and start doing the tasks from here, or he'll be able to use the task tab and be able to do the tasks again from the task tab, obviously, and be able to see the items that he needs to do there, or he can go to the dashboard, and on that day it will show the tasks there. And he will get notifications when it's time to start this task. He'll get a notification 5 minutes before, and then he'll continue to get notifications until he actually starts the task. And if he doesn't start it within 5 minutes of me being or of him starting the task when he's supposed to, then I will get a notification, and so will the other parent account. So that's it. That's how easy it is. And now this project is set up, ready to go, and you and your family will be on target and ready to hit the ground running when it's time to do it. Hope you found this helpful, and thanks, and take care.